Hello, I'm Anne Davis, founder of Fashanne, Fashion Designers of the Future Awards. Our mission is to reach out a helping hand to the next generation and connect them with industry to the benefit of both. It's all our responsibilities to give back, and in so doing we can also help champion diversity, sustainability and inclusion, all pillars of the Fashanne movement. On top of that, an evening of excellence, showcasing our students and indeed our sponsors, and a great night for everyone. Of course, none of us expected COVID, but with our extensive television experience, we were able to immediately transfer our awards online. And this year, well, the entries are better than ever.
So this is now the second year that I'm judging this award, and last year I was impressed, but this year I'm even more impressed, and I really enjoyed seeing a lot of you talk through your personal experience and show how that's impacted why you've chosen specific themes and collections. I know it's going to be hard when everybody graduates from university, but just know that things will come back, because the industry is doing well. Actually, as much as we have seen a lot of press and media around certain brands not making it through the pandemic, it's actually made those who have survived even stronger, because they've realized that actually to survive this type of thing, you need to be flexible, you need to listen to your customers, and you need to be sustainable as well. Shweta, I really enjoyed I felt like I was with you when I was going through your portfolio, because you're saying January 2021, this is how I felt, February, this is how I felt, and you talked about things that you realized and things that didn't work, which I really appreciate. And I think if we've all learned something this year, is that it's all okay to try and fail, so long as you get back up and learn from those mistakes.
So my brand is called Post, and the reason why I use the word post, because as a prefix it's always used in conjunction with an event, and I felt like the word always introduces a reaction.
Another example that I really enjoyed about being on that personal journey with you was Natasha. I loved that you took to social media to think about what dreams are happening off the back of COVID. So all of these things of using your personal experience to come up with a collection, I think can only benefit you, because it means that you'll love what you're doing even more so, and you'll really feel connected to it. And if you're thinking about these types of things, then hundreds of other people are going to be thinking about it as well.
My visual research came initially from looking at my great granny Nancy here, her old jewellery, so that inspired some really bold and graphic shapes which I've used throughout my project.
However, unfortunately, there can only be one winner, so I'm not going to say just who it is yet, because I'm first going to say why she's won, and I don't think I'm giving anything away, because everybody was a female. But really, the reason why she's won is because she came up with a fantastic concept. She used the idea of QR codes to connect with the consumer, but not just to connect with them so that they have access to the brand's website or social media, but also because she wanted to show transparency about the products and the costs and everything. And in doing so, it also means that she was able to reduce the amount of material used for labels, and have all that content that normally would be on a label be on a digital website. And this is something that we're seeing, actually it hasn't quite happened just yet, but we are ourselves at ITL looking into it. So this is very forward thinking of this person. She also had a fantastic explanation of her brand. I also love that I was actually able to scan the QR codes and have a look at the website. I mean, fantastic job, because those things take a lot of time. And also she used seeded paper for her swing ticket, which is very on trend at the moment. And there was also the background about why using seeded paper, not just because it's on trend, but because we have to help the bees and the environment, really. And you know what, I couldn't find any improvements for this person, so a huge congratulations to Sophie Nicol.